Tick-tock whispers in a golden embrace. Diamond glimmers catching moonlight's grace. Ruby glow.
Hello and welcome back to Not a Watch Snob. I am your host, Bill, and today we're bringing you another timepiece you've probably never heard of. Introducing the Pierce Tanker Watch. Pierce is a Swiss watch manufacturer. The watch company was founded in 1883 in Biel, Switzerland by Leon Levy and his brothers. In 1910, they already employed about 1,500 employees, when at the same time approximately only 24,000 people inhabited Biel. From the 1930s, Pierce introduced a series of first developed calibers. The Royal Air Force awarded the contract for the development and construction of the pilot's watch, flight calendar, and that was created by Pierce. In 1956, Pierce presents the mechanical alarm movement known as the duophone. The name refers to the ability to deliver the alarm signal in two different volumes, loud or silent. A window in the dial indicates the selected setting. Pierce was known for their reliability and robustness. However, just like many great watch brands in the 1970s, the quartz crisis destroyed them. However, recently brought back as an affordable luxury watch, these watches are still making a comeback. However, nothing beats the originals. And we're introducing this beautiful, I don't believe they're real diamonds, but we're going to call it Diamond and Ruby Pierce Tanker Watch. Now, the specs of this watch are as follows. I would say this watch is about 28 by 36 millimeters. It's a smaller watch, however, it stands apart from the rest with this faceted sapphire crystal and this gorgeous white and silver dial with these gold diamond markers. The watch is absolutely stunning. It's kind of got this beautiful Art Deco design, and I really feel like a Saudi Arabian prince when I'm wearing this watch. Now, I call this the Pierce Prince. I don't really know the name of it, and Google isn't really helping me. That's not my best friend at this moment in time. However, this watch is an extremely example of 1950s to 1960s ingenuity. If you want to see more watches like this, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And remember, I'm not a watch snob, and neither are you.